Welcome everyone. Every Wednesday we try to learn a little bit from the Heilige Rebbe from Lezhensk. So this week's Parsha is Parshas Behar b'chukosai. Parshas Behar we read Al Tikach Ni'itoy Neshech v'Tarbis. In the book of Leviticus, chapter 25, verse 36, we read the prohibition against usury. That you should not take from someone usury when your brother is in need. So homiletically, the Rebbe Elimelech understands it like this: Parshas is a davar tov. When you do something good, like you shouldn't expect that or desire that the reason why you're performing these good deeds is to receive some profit, some reward for your good deeds from God. Also, you shouldn't have any ulterior motives or arrogance, God forbid. Because when you do that, it's considered as if you're taking usury, you're taking interest from the Creator. And there's tremendous pain that comes from this. Because anyone with an arrogant heart is an abomination before the Lord. So it should be just the opposite. All of your intentions should be for the sake of heaven. And by this, your good deeds will be accepted well before our Creator. And through this, be worthy to the redemption soon in our days. And that's what the next verse says: I am the Lord thy God, in order to give thee the land of Canaan to be unto thee a God. Thank you for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe, comment, and we'll see you later.